Welcome. If you're looking to save mobile data while scrolling through Instagram, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you exactly how to enable Data Saver mode on Instagram, updated for the latest version in 2025. Whether you're on a limited data plan or just want to make your browsing more efficient, these easy steps will help you cut down on unnecessary data usage without missing out on your favorite content. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main feed, look to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page. Next, in the top right corner, you'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Tap on those lines to open a side menu with more options. From here, find and select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can customize how Instagram works for you. Now, scroll down the Settings menu until you find the option labeled Data Usage and Media Quality. Tap on it to open up more choices related to how Instagram uses your mobile data. Here's the important part. Look for the Data Saver option. You'll see a switch or toggle next to it. Simply tap the switch to enable Data Saver mode. Once it's turned on, Instagram will automatically reduce the amount of data it uses. Videos won't preload, and images may load at a slightly lower quality, but you'll notice your data lasting longer while still enjoying everything Instagram offers. That's all it takes. With Data Saver mode enabled, you can browse, post, and explore Instagram without worrying about burning through your data plan. If you ever want to turn it off, just follow these same steps and toggle Data Saver back off. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might also want to save data on Instagram. Enjoy your more efficient browsing experience.